Hindi ko na inaantay na yung buhay yung manakot sa akin. Ako mismo yung nananakot sa sarili ko na, sige, pag hindi mo to gagawin, ito mangyayari sa'yo.
Hey beautiful people, this is Pearl Hong and our question is,
I always tell them, kung hindi mo to gagawin, paano? I actually need to see the worst for me to be at my best and to do my best. Kasi laging ganun parang I motivate myself. Sabi nila, fear-based motivation siya. It could be na, okay, tatakutin ko yung sarili ko. Kung hindi ito gagawin mo, sige ka, ito mangyayari. Hindi ko na inaantay na yung buhay yung manakot sa akin. Ako mismo yung nananakot sa sarili ko na, sige, pag hindi mo to gagawin, ito mangyayari sa'yo. For me, that's one of my, motivations sa buhay na tinitignan ko muna. Okay, ito pala. Ayoko nito. Gagawin ko na lang yung best ko. And of course, I'll really be so hopeful about the vision na nakikita ko. Kasi pag may vision ka, long term, hindi lang yung mga small wins ang makikita mong vision. Pag malaki kasi yung vision mo in life, hindi lang siya na, okay, I wanna earn my first 100,000 or I want to buy my iPad. May ganyan ako na-meet. Alam mo, sabi ko, ba't ka nagnegosyo? Sabi niya, because gusto ko magkaroon ng MacBook. Alam mo talagang nung nagkaroon siya ng MacBook, nag-stop na siya. Kasi hanggang dun lang yung nakikita niyang vision. For me, if malaki yung vision mo in the future, talagang, you know that it requires big moves in your life. So, ang sarap na mag-storytelling ka sa mind mo, mag-visualize ka of what's gonna happen to you in the future. That's really something so huge para talagang magpatuloy ka in your life. Kaya, you know na your life and current situation right now, though parang walang progress, compared to the life that you desire to have, kung makikita mo sobrang layo, mas masarap doon kaysa dito, so doon ka na lang sa vision na nakikita mo. So talagang very important for you to have your huge and big vision of what do you want to have, what's the quality of life, and why do you want to get it. Kasi minsan madaling bumitaw sa mga bagay na, I want this, I want that. Pero if you have an underlying purpose, bakit mo gustong kunin yung isang bagay? Malalim yung why mo. Why do I need to get it? Pag malalim yung why, definitely, walang kahit anong challenge ang makakapagpatibag sa'yo. Because your why is greater than any obstacle that you will encounter in your life. And pag sobrang laki ng why mo, wala ring maliit na mga challenges or obstacles ang makakapagpa-stop sa'yo into becoming the person that you want to be. So always remember to live your life with purpose and have your vision with purpose as well.
this is Pearl Hong sending you love and light.